coming down here to the sign. It says, "Welcome to Garnet Hill." Alright. It kind of tries to help you out. It says, "You are here." Got a hole right there. That's where I am, right there. And it's kind of a couple mile long dirt road coming up, but very drivable, very drivable. So, you know, no problem. Go about 20 miles per hour. The basic safety guide: first pick a spot, dig a hole, gather rocks, or rocks with holes in them. Well, I finally, I should have been breaking them more. I found a lot of rocks with holes in them, but not all rocks will have garnets. Okay, let's go down here. And this is come out here to the rock pile, and here. And these are the rocks here that you see. There's all kind of tons of rocks. This is the rock pile here. And you pick a spot and you start digging. And that's what you want to do here. But the wind is picking up. You can see some people really dig down. There's some holes down there. And it's getting windy now. And I guess that's why the people come up here real early in the morning, because it's not windy. But now it is. And if we go down here, there's some more overlooks here. People bring little carts and haul away 50, 60 pounds of rocks. Gotta watch my footing here. It's a little, but that looks like a real mine out there. Look at all those tailings. Same thing over here too. Oh, there you go. Too windy for the drone. People might get upset. But yeah, winds are picking up now. It's like 11:15. Of course, ooh, watch the step. And I was working over, they were all working here big time. And that's their choice spots, I guess. And I picked little spots over here. And I worked over here in this area. Found a couple things. I dug this out here. So, but this is it. Garnet Hill. Garnets are small. Sometimes you might find one by itself, rare find that might be, you know, the size of a fingertip, but that is super rare. They're all very tiny. And of course, garnet, you know, you buy sandpaper. Sandpaper is, you know, has a lot of garnet on it because it's not used for a whole lot else, I guess. There are rings, maybe a birth ring. Okay, I could be here for another few hours here. Every time I see something, so maybe that one has a garnet in it. Check it out. Yeah, you could be doing that for hours and hours. But head back to the vehicle and might try to make a detour to some state forest or something, which is the last place I can get my book stamped and have my 5 stamps. So, all right, let's get up to the parking lot here. I'm up here at Garnet Mountain, and I think I found one rock that had some minuscule garnets in it, but the rock people are here. These are the people that bring their buckets, their tools, and they sit here for hours. And they know exactly where to dig and mark out their spot. And they were all very, very friendly and tried to show me, you know, what you might find. But you got to be here for hours and hours and hours. And it is work. Well, we're going back down. Let me turn the fan down a little bit here so you can hear me. Going back down the a couple miles long dirt road. It's not in bad shape, but it's a pretty popular place. Like I said, there's early morning rock hounds are out there with all their equipment, they're just thrilled to find those little things, and they take the bigger rocks home, that they have a little wagon to take to their car, and then they make it into smaller ones and pick out the garnets. Well, you know, it's a nice little hobby there. So I don't know what you could do with them. I don't think you can sell them, but maybe they make jewelry out of it or something, a little home thing there. But there's that nice view out there. Look at those mountains off in the distance there. They still got the snow on them here. Ooh, go a little faster, slow it down. Yeah, like I said, the road's pretty good shape here. All right, gotta get back to my driving here. Okay.